Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're going straight to action. Unlock the iPhone and open settings, then tap Wi-Fi. This shows visible networks because iOS lists active SSIDs immediately. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is off so the list isn't crowded by accessory names, and understand whether your router uses WPA2 or WPA3 since network naming can be managed there. If the network is hidden, you won't see it listed. So prepare the exact network name and password before moving on to the next step. You'll tap the SSID shown under Wi-Fi and iOS will attempt to join. That reveals the network name you're using. Once you select it, enter the password and confirm the security type if prompted, because correct authentication stops connection errors. If the network was hidden, choose Other, type the exact SSID capitalization and spacing, then pick the security type. This is why accuracy matters. After joining, iOS shows a blue checkmark indicating the active network. You should now confirm the active network by the blue checkmark and the Wi-Fi icon in the status bar. That proves you're on the right SSID. If you can't connect, restart the router, toggle Wi-Fi on the iPhone, and carefully retype the SSID and password because small errors are common. If problems persist, reset network settings in Settings General Transfer or Reset. This clears saved networks and often fixes lingering conflicts. Remember to have your Wi-Fi passwords handy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.